Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, let's start the new lesson. So, our new topic is matbah. Matbah means kitchen. Matbah, kitchen. We are discussing in this video about kitchenware. Adawatul matbah. Adawatul matbah. Let's repeat with me. Adawatul matbah. If you repeat the words with me, it will be easier for you to remember the vocabulary. Okay, so try to repeat the words with me. Adawatul matbah, kitchenware. Thallaja, fridge. Thallaja, fridge. Khallata, mixer. Khallata, mixer. Furn, oven. Furn, oven. Sahnun, plate. Okay, so here we have some words which have plurals also. So I'm sharing the singular and plural both words with you here. Sahnun is singular and its plural is suhun. Sahnun, plate. Suhun, plates. Shaukatun, shaukatun. Ashwak, ashwak. Plural is ashwak. Shaukatun means fork. Tabaq, tabaq. Atbaq. Tabaq is singular. Atbaq is plural. Tabaq means dish or tray. Tabaq, dish or tray. Sikeen. Sikeen, knife. Its plural is sakakeen. Sikeen, sakakeen. Mil'aqa. Mil'aqa is singular, which means spoon. Mala'iq, spoons. Mil'aqa. Mil'aqa. Mala'iq. Mala'iq. Koob. Koob means cup. Koob is basically used for mug. The bigger ones, the bigger mugs, the bigger cups means koob in Arabic. Koob is singular and the plural is akwab. Koob, akwab. Finjan. Finjan also means cup, but this finjan is used for like tea cups, coffee cups, the cups for we use for kahwa. So these are finjan. Finjanul qahwa. Hakada nastamil. We use it like this. Finjan, cup. Finjan, cup. Panajin. The plural is panajin. Ka'sun, glass. Ka'sun, glass. Plural. Ku'us. Ku'us. Al-awani. Al-awani, crockery. Al-awani, crockery. Miqlat, fry pan. Miqlat, frying pan. Qidr, cooking pot. Qidr, cooking pot. Jazakallahu khairan. These are the words these are the words for the things present in the kitchen. So, inshallah, we will revise. I will take a quiz in the next video. I hope you all will learn and remember these words. And in the next video, I will upload a quiz and I will ask you some questions related to kitchen items, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.